Hello, Cloud Nerds. In this video, you will learn how to use Amazon Comprehend for performing sentiment analysis, language identification, key phrase extraction, and various other NLP tasks. In this demo, we will follow this 4-step hands-on lab made available by AWS. Since I already have AWS account, I will jump to step 2A and open Amazon Comprehend console, and then click Launch Amazon Comprehend button. To get started, first open Amazon Comprehend console. Next, click Launch Amazon Comprehend. As per step 2B under Hands-on Lab, next step is to choose Analysis Type as built-in under Real-Time Analysis section. Note that we are on Real-Time Analysis section, and Analysis Type is pre-selected as built-in. Now we will move to step 3 of Hands-on Lab, and we will perform sentiment analysis, which means that we will detect whether sentiment of text is positive, negative, neutral, or mixed. Let me copy and paste this review in Input Text field on Comprehend console. I just specified input text. Next, click Analyze. Let's take a moment to read the review. Clearly, reviewer hoped to find non-traditional cool places in winter in Seattle, but was disappointed. Let's see the different kinds of insights that Comprehend generated on this text. Next, click Sentiment. Let's scroll down. You can see that Comprehend provides confidence value for each of 4 sentiment types. Specifically, it found that review was a negative review with high confidence. Let's explore entities. Amazon Comprehend is able to detect different types of entities such as date, location, person, organization, etc. In the console, you can see that it identified Seattle as location and November as the date type of entity, and it highlighted the same. Let's check out key phrases. Key phrases are noun phrases that describe something. You can see multiple multi-termed and single-termed key phrases highlighted in blue. Next, click Language. Comprehend was also able to detect language as English. Next, click Syntax. Comprehend also provides part-of-speech tagging functionality, and you can see part of speech for each word in this panel. We just finished step 3 of Hands-on Lab. In step 4 of Lab, we will try different review comments and analyze Comprehend responses. Let me copy and paste this review in Input Text field on Comprehend console. I just specified input text. Let's take a moment to read the review. The review praises a coffee table book. Next, click Analyze. Next, click Sentiment. Note that Amazon Comprehend was able to identify with 99% confidence that this is a positive review. Next, click PII. Let's scroll down. Note that Amazon Comprehend identified John Smith as name and Paris and Barcelona as addresses. Let's try another review as suggested by Hands-on Lab. I just specified input text. The review clearly seems like a positive extension of previous review. Next, click Analyze. Next, click Sentiment. Note that Amazon Comprehend was able to identify with 99% confidence that this is a positive review. Next, click Targeted Sentiment. Targeted sentiments provide granular sentiment for specific entities. As you can see on screen, Comprehend identified positive sentiment for places and book, and neutral sentiment for rest. Congratulations! You just learned how to use Amazon Comprehend for extracting insights from text using natural language processing. Thanks for watching. Check out AWS certification books, linked in pinned comment, and suggest us topics for videos.